Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're checking out the top 5 best keyboard cleaning kit options to keep your setup spotless and your devices performing like new. From deep key cleaning to streak-free screen care, these kits have it all. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Lanrxs Keyboard Cleaning Kit. The Lanrxs Keyboard Cleaning Kit is an incredibly versatile tool designed to keep all your favorite gadgets looking like they are brand new. This amazing multi-tool clean kit brings everything you need for complete device maintenance right to your fingertips. Instead of buying separate items to maintain your electronics, the Lanrxs kit includes soft and hard brushes, a SIM card ejector, a keycap puller, a gap scraper, and precision tweezers packed together. You can easily tackle dirt on keyboards and phones without missing a single spot. For stubborn dirt, the precision cleaning tools included in the Lanrxs kit truly shine. You get a specially designed hook head that is perfect for pulling packed lint out of charging ports. There is also a bendable brush for reaching into tight corners, along with a pointed tip that clears away earbud grime. For your displays and cameras, the Lanrxs Keyboard Cleaning Kit offers streak-free screen and lens care. The included microfiber cloth and dedicated lens cleaning tool work effortlessly to wipe away oily fingerprints and smudges, giving you crystal clear phone displays and flawless camera photos. You never have to worry about scratching expensive electronics because the Lanrxs kit is safe and non-damaging. The soft bristles gently sweep away dust without leaving scratches on glossy surfaces. The included keycap puller avoids accidental damage, and the metal tools provide durability while remaining gentle. Everything is housed in a highly portable and beautifully organized compact case that fits into your bag. This makes the Lanrxs Keyboard Cleaning Kit perfect for travel, taking to work, or storing on your desk to keep your gadgets spotless. Beyond maintaining your hardware, using this kit provides unexpected tools for reducing mental stress. There is something satisfying about quietly cleaning your digital devices. Taking a few moments to brush away dust serves as a calming activity, relieving daily mental stress and letting you enjoy the peaceful pleasure of cleaning. Coming in at number 4, the Tassmpitor Keyboard Cleaning Kit. The Tassmpitor Keyboard Cleaning Kit makes keeping your tech gear looking brand new incredibly simple and effective. This all-in-one set comes packed with everything you need to tackle dust, dirt, and grime on keyboards, screens, and all kinds of gadgets. Right away you will notice the retractable large brush that extends to sweep away dust from computer and laptop keyboards. The soft bristles reach deep between the keys without any effort, so you can clean thoroughly in just seconds and enjoy a fresh typing experience every day. Pair that with the metal pen tip, which gently clears out stains and stubborn particles from the tiniest spots and deepest crevices. It is precise and safe for delicate areas. For mechanical and gaming keyboards, the included keycap puller is a game changer. It safely removes keycaps so you can eliminate hidden dust and fingerprints underneath without risking any damage. Once the keys are back on, your keyboard feels and performs like new again. The kit also has a thin, soft brush perfect for those extra delicate spots that need careful attention. Moving to your screens, the ultra-soft 2mm microfiber cloth is specially designed to reach into corners and lift away dirt effortlessly. It leaves no streaks, scratches, or lint behind and works beautifully with the safe cleaning solution for a quick polish on laptops, smartphones, tablets, computer monitors, and even car displays. You will love how crystal clear everything looks after just one swipe. Plus, there is an oversized microfiber cloth for larger surfaces. This kit truly shines with delicate electronics too. The soft plastic lens cleaning pen handles DSLR camera lenses and sensitive surfaces with ease, and it comes with 5 replacement cloths so you are always ready. The flocking sponge is fantastic for cleaning headphone charging cases, while the fine brush and metal pin tip take care of earbud sound holes, phone ports, and smartwatch displays. Every tool feels thoughtfully made for real-world use. What makes the Tassmpitor keyboard cleaning kit stand out is how compact and convenient it is. Everything fits neatly together so you can keep it in your desk drawer, car, or travel bag. It is an essential accessory for programmers, gamers, writers, and anyone who appreciates pristine electronics. The premium materials and smart design mean this kit delivers professional-level maintenance at home without any hassle. Your devices will thank you every time you use it. At number 3, we have the Vichyie Keyboard Cleaning Kit. The Vichyie Keyboard Cleaning Kit brings together everything you need to keep your gadgets spotless and working their best. This upgraded all-in-one set handles cleaning for phones, keyboards, headphones, screens, cameras, and computers with smart tools designed for every little detail. The main body of the kit neatly stores all the accessories and even has space to hold your SD card and SIM card so you stay organized on the go. For your phone, it includes specialized cleaning tools with different angles and shaped tips that reach into charging ports and speakers to remove dust and buildup safely. You get silicone port-like cleaners made specifically for Lightning and USB-C ports, plus a SIM card removal tool that makes swapping cards quick and easy. There is also a handy stylus pen for precise screen touching and navigation. When it comes to headphones, this kit really delivers. The headphone cleaning pen features a metal tip that tackles stubborn dirt, while the mini brush clears out the earphone mesh. A round sponge brush and soft brush work together to lift dust and grime deep inside the charging case. An extended handle pairs with these tools to make cleaning more comfortable and effective, reaching spots that are usually hard to get to. For keyboards and computers, the high-density keyboard cleaning brush quickly sweeps away surface dust from your laptop or desktop. The keycap puller and switch puller let you safely remove parts on mechanical keyboards for a thorough clean underneath. You can go even deeper with the hard bristle brush and the precise tweezer for those tricky areas. The kit also includes a 5 ml spray bottle that you can fill with your favorite cleaning liquid, along with a fiber cloth. Just spray and wipe to easily remove oil stains and fingerprints from screens, leaving everything clear and streak-free. The Vichyie Keyboard Cleaning Kit stands out because of its compact integrated design that packs so many useful tools into one portable set. It works wonderfully across all kinds of small electronic devices, making it a must-have for anyone who wants their tech to stay in top condition. The thoughtful tools and sturdy build ensure you can maintain your devices like a pro right at home. This kit makes regular cleaning simple, fast, and satisfying every single time. Next up at number 2 is the Walrfid Keyboard Cleaning Kit. The Walrfid Keyboard Cleaning Kit delivers an impressive 20-in-1 solution that makes maintaining your tech devices simple and thorough. This comprehensive computer cleaning kit includes everything from an AirPod cleaner pen and flocking sponge to a mini soft brush, lens brush, earphone case cleaning brush, camera brush, screen cleaner spray, microfiber cloth, retractable keyboard brush, keycap puller, shaft puller, air blower with 2 extending rods, dual head brush, and card pickup pin. Start with your earbuds and AirPods, where the cleaning pen truly shines. The metal tip tackles sticky and tough dirt hidden in cracks and holes, while the plush brush gently removes dust from the acoustic mesh, shallow holes, and tight spaces. You also get a charging hole cleaning soft brush and hard brush that reach deep into areas your fingers cannot touch, leaving your earbuds fresh and performing at their best. For screens and displays, the Screen Cleaner Mist works together with the microfiber cloth to provide cleaning, anti-static, and degreasing power. It easily lifts away oil, fingerprints, and smudges from cell phones, tablet computers, laptops, monitors, televisions, eyeglasses, camera lenses, and more. The included card pickup pin makes it safe and effortless to remove or insert SIM cards and SD cards without risking damage to your phone. When it comes to keyboards, this kit handles both surface and deep cleaning with ease. The retractable keyboard brush extends to sweep away dust from flat surfaces like keyboards and desktops using its high-density bristles that require less effort. The keycap puller and shaft puller let you safely remove keycaps on mechanical keyboards for a complete clean underneath. You can reach into crevices with the hard and soft bristle brush or the dual head brush, and the air blower with its 2 extending rods blows away loose particles from hard-to-reach spots. The Walrfid keyboard cleaning kit stands out with its smart, all-in-one design that packs so many specialized tools into one compact set. Every accessory feels well-made and purposeful, whether you are cleaning delicate earphone cases with the flocking sponge and earphone case cleaning brush, or giving your camera a quick touch-up with the camera brush and lens brush. It is perfect for keeping all your electronics looking pristine and functioning smoothly. The thoughtful variety of tools ensures you can handle any cleaning task quickly and effectively right at home or on the go. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit. The Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit is an upgraded laptop cleaning kit that makes keeping your devices spotless and performing perfectly so much easier. This comprehensive computer cleaning kit brings together all the essential tools in one smart set, including a retractable large brush, 2 polishing cleaning cloths, keycap puller, metal pen tip, flocking sponge, thin soft brush, soft plastic lens cleaning pen with 5 replacement cloths, and a large cleaning microfiber cloth. It starts with professional keyboard cleaning that handles everything from everyday laptops to gaming and mechanical keyboards. The keycap puller safely removes keycaps so you can clear out dust and debris underneath without any worry of damage. The retractable keyboard brush extends to sweep across surfaces quickly, while the mini high-density brush reaches deep between keys, especially on flatter laptop layouts. The metal pen tip gently removes stains and particles from tight spots and crevices, giving you that fresh, reliable typing feel every time. For screens, this kit delivers streak-free results with ease. The 2mm thickened wide polishing cleaning cloth is angled perfectly to fit into screen corners on computers, laptops, and other displays. Pair it with the recyclable cleaning spray, and one swipe lifts away stubborn stains, oil, and fingerprints without leaving discoloration, streaks, or lint behind. It works beautifully on monitors, tablets, and more. The multifunctional tools make this set incredibly versatile. The soft plastic lens cleaning pen and mini soft brush are ideal for DSLR camera screens, lenses, and other delicate surfaces, with extra replacement cloths ready when you need them. The flocking sponge excels at cleaning earbud charging cases, while the thin soft brush handles precise areas. Overall, this electronic cleaning kit feels like it replaces 10 separate tools covering keyboards, screens, cameras, earbuds, and beyond. The Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit shines with its portable and compact design. Everything fits neatly together so you can keep it in a drawer, your car, or your bag for cleaning on the go. It is easy to use and perfect for anyone who wants their tech to stay in top shape with minimal effort. The thoughtful selection of premium accessories ensures professional-level maintenance right at your fingertips, making regular care simple, effective, and satisfying. Keep your setup looking brand new. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite cleaning kit, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top 5 tech picks.